Have you ever wanted to write a book but didn't know how? Let me show you step by step how to write a book in 30 days. First thing first, flesh out the story idea. I like to do this by hand on paper. Give yourself some time and write freestyle, everything that you think should happen in your story. The other way to do this is ask what next till you reach the end of your story. This will help you see if the story idea has what it takes to be a full-length novel. What should be the length of your novel? There's a word count expectation from every genre, but you can break the rules once you know them. Since this is the first draft of my novel, I'm aiming for at least 50,000 words. Next, decide on the genre and your target readers. This will not only help you with the reading level of your target readers, but also help you with book marketing. All this is good, Pooja, but can you even write a book in 30 days? Well, let's find out. Here's my Google Calendar. I can write for about 1 hour every day and my writing speed is about 1500 words per hour. Which means if I write every day for 1 hour, I can write 45,000 words in 30 days. But I want to give myself 5 buffer days because what if I don't get time to write or I'm not feeling well or I just don't feel like writing? Which means I have 25 days to write 50,000 words. I need to write 2,000 words per day. 1 hour in the day and 30 minutes in the evening. That's doable, and if I write more than that, then, well, good for me. Next, I'm going to print out my worksheet. You can get this on my website. There are some simple questions that are good to think about before writing a book, just to get clarity on your story idea and why you even want to write a book. Because it's not going to be easy and it's good to know that before getting into it. But I promise you it's fun and rewarding. This worksheet is really simple. I have examples from Hindi movies to help you. Next, go to NaNoWriMo.org and sign up for the NaNoWriMo event. 3 reasons why you should take part in NaNoWriMo. This is a free online writing event. You get access to a lot of free and heavily discounted resources, and the community is awesome. After signing up, you can go to the writer's resources, Nano Prep, and download the free story outline template. You can also do the character development exercises. If you're new to writing, go for Save the Cat beat sheet. It's simple and easy. I have a plotting app called Plotter, so I'll go ahead and create a new project and put all this in there. You don't have to do this, but if you are looking for an app to help you plot your story, I'll have this app linked in the description. Don't be like me. Take your time with this. I'm working on a 3-book series and this is book 2 in the series. So I have a lot of things already figured out. Now the actual work of writing. 3 tips to help you finish writing your book. Break your writing session with a goal in mind, like a word count goal or a scene goal. Use sprints. I like to use the Pomodoro technique. Write for 20-25 minutes with a break of 5-10 minutes. And if you get stuck, use placeholders. This is just the first draft. You telling the story to yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to have everything figured out in your story. You can fix everything in the revision and rewrites phase. And there you have it. A solid story idea, an outline, and a plan to actually write your book. I didn't want to record today because I have nothing to update you on. 300 something words and deleted everything. I'm back to a blank page.